How you doing, Todd Uminski? Back again. Sometimes those bad moments in life or the depression spouts that you go through don't just last minutes. Sometimes they last days. Sometimes you go through, a few days or into a week of, worrying or thinking about these problems that most of these problems won't even happen. They're just thoughts in your mind of what if. You can't let these what if times ruin your purpose, ruin your future. Uh, you need to think about your dreams and goals. I always go back to that. What's your purpose in life? Do you have a purpose? What are you doing out there? You going to work every day and doing it for what? You are taking care of somebody for what? You got to think about these purposes in life. My purpose in life, I go to work, I work hard. A lot of times it's what I think about most of the time is taking care of my family. And it's, sometimes it's a downfall. It's not always easy. There are a lot of things I don't think about and I don't take care of in part of my life. But it's something that I'm passionate about and it's just always in my head. What if I'm not here one day? How am I going to take care of them? What's going to happen? So, that's sort of the biggest thing in my life that I deal with and that I achieve to keep pushing through. Some of my bad days that I have, I have a business that I run. I have people that I employ that I need to take care of as well. This stuff weighs heavily on my head. And, it's something that you just got to keep moving forward to. You got to come up with goals. A lot of times you got to write them down for the business. What are we going to do? How are we going to do it? Who's going to be in place? How are these jobs going to get taken care of? It's the same thing in your life, in your future and the things that you want in life and your purpose and goals. With me and my family, what is the future? What's going on? I write down lists of things that I want to achieve and want to do in life. I need to put this on paper to be able to then somehow put down action items to achieve these things. Else they're never going to come through. They'll never come true. So, if you're out there and you're having problems, another big thing is affirmations. Every morning you wake up, you got millions of things running through your head. A lot of these things are from your past that have nothing to do with your future. A lot of these things are future things that you're thinking about that have nothing to do with your reality of if these things are coming true. A lot of times they're negative thoughts. They're thoughts of what if it doesn't happen, or what if this, or what if that. And a lot of times these what ifs aren't even part of what's going to happen in the future. So you need to really focus on the present to get out of it. So when you wake up in the morning and all these things are running and burning through your head, don't just get up. Sometimes you got to lay in bed, put your hand over your heart, and be thankful. Be thankful for that moment that you're alive. You're able to do something. You're able to wake up. You're able to walk. You're able to go help your family. You're able to go to work. Be thankful for something. You need to be thankful. Sit there. Be in that moment for minutes. If you can stay in that moment for 15 minutes before you wake up, it's unbelievable. It's such a great feeling to be thankful. And then before you wake up, think about something great in your future, something that you're going to do today. What are you going to do to help somebody today? Can you call someone that needs a call? Give a hug to somebody? There's many things in life that you can do every day to wake up and do something. You can think about your future self. What are you going to do in the future? How are you going to get there? Think of these positive things. Get rid of those little tiny what if issues that keep on coming up and coming up and coming up. And they're going to come up during the day. You're going to get up. You're going to go brush your teeth. Go look in the mirror and say some affirmations. Say, I'm healthy. I'm wealthy. I'm wise. I have a beautiful family. I have a healthy family. I have a great business. I'm going to have a great day today. Even if the day's raining out or it's snowing out and you're like, oh shit this and oh shit that, or oh this sucks, forget about it. Why does the rain suck? Well, we need the rain to have things grow, right? So that's a good thing. So you think, oh shit, it's raining. Oh, it's going to suck today. No, don't have that mindset. Change that mindset. Same thing with snow. Oh, snow. I'm going to get stuck here. I'm going to do this. And oh, God, this. And oh, God, that. Again, all negative thoughts. Change your mindset. Hey, it's snowing out. Look how beautiful it is. It's going to be a nice day. Go out there and attack life. Change your mindset. A lot of this is mind, mind, mind. What is in your mind every freaking day? It's not easy. I know it's not easy. I deal with it. I go through my problems. But you know what I do? I make these videos because it helps me think about how to get through my bad days, my bad problems that I deal with. I deal with it just as well as you guys do out there. So you got to sit there, and when these things happen, do these affirmations, do these thoughts, be positive, feel your heart. You know, you need to change. That's what it comes down to. Change your mindset. It's all in your fucking mind. And I know it's not easy. It is not easy. But if you do it every day and you work on it every day, it does get easier. Trust me out there. Once again, if you like these videos, please subscribe. Please put your notifications on. Send them to people that can help people. I'm hoping to help people. That's what I want to do. I want to help people out there. Hopefully this is something that can help these people out there that have problems. All of us have problems in our mind, you know? Hope everything is well out there. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy your day. Think some positive stuff. Be thankful. Talk to you soon.